Hello knitters, Barbara Benson here. I am an independent knitwear designer who also likes to make videos here on Watch Barbara Knit. Make sure to check in the description below the video where you can find links to where you can catch up with me on all my social media outlets, including how to join the Watch Barbara Knit Facebook group, where to find my patterns so you can knit them up for yourself, and how to support me on Patreon. Today we have a secret shopper. This is always a wonderful, wonderful time of the month when I have my little sort of unbirthday present to me. What Secret Shopper is that I ask other knitters, sometimes it's designers, sometimes it's just another knitter that I know, and that is the case this time, to shop for me. I give them a budget. Usually it's around $30, and I'm like, just go find some fun stuff that you think I might like, may or may not have seen, but you know, it's just, there's all kinds of interesting fiber related items, and I'm like, it doesn't have to be yarn, it can be notions, it can be, some people have sent me interesting like little embroidery things. It's just, there's so much to explore and I can't find it all, but I like sharing it with y'all, so I've asked other people, and it's also fun to open up a surprise package that I don't know what's in it. So that is what it is. My secret shopper for May 2020 was Carol. Thank you so much. And I think she went to Webs, but I'm not 100% sure. Hopefully I'll be able to find all the information from all the items in here and post them if you are interested in them. So I'm always super, super careful with trying to cut these open, because you know there could be yarn in here and I don't want to run the risk of accidentally cutting any yarn, because that would be a sad, sad, sad day. But also I am not good at this kind of stuff. This one, she really liked the tape. I'm pretty sure she recycled this Amazon package, which I definitely think is a great idea, but getting into it is proving to be challenging. Okay, so I got a little dent in. So now I can cut the tape without cutting anything inside. I am triumphant. Hurrah! Okay, so let's see what's in here. There's several things always, so I can just pull these out willy-nilly because she wrapped them up for me. Excellent. Thank you so much for putting the extra effort into it. And then, whoop, there's another little thing in there. So this is going bye-bye. I got to make sure there's no labels on here. So let's see what this is. So this is from Walnut Farm Designs, which I have never heard of. This is on, it says it's on Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy to see more knitting, spinning, and wool products. Ooh, I wonder what's in here. I'm so excited. Snip. Again, more snipping. Sometimes I wonder if they wrap them hard on purpose. Okay. Okay, so here's some information that I'm going to put down. It says, thank you. So this makes me think it's from Etsy, because Etsy people always wrap things. Oh my goodness! This is the best! Oh! Okay, I love stitch markers, right? Look, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Is unbearably cute bunny stitch markers. Oh my goodness, look at them. I have a pet rabbit. If you've watched, I've probably mentioned it before one day. If y'all want me to, I mean, it's totally non-yarn related, but I could get a little video on my bunny if you'd like. But look at that. It's so cute. I can't stand it. And here's the other one. Let's get a good angle. Oh, focus. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them. I kind of want to wear them as earrings. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. So stitch markers. I never have enough stitch markers, and cute stitch markers are so much fun and they bring me joy. So those are from Walnut Farm Designs. I will put the information in the description below. Let's see anything else. And again, so it's just things about following on Instagram and everything. So that is, I'm going to put them back in their tiny little bag because they don't, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I can't stand it. So they be safe. Love them. Absolutely love them. How can it get better? How can it get better than that? Okay. So this one is a little stiff and this one is a little squishy. So we'll save the squishy for last. Let's see what's in here. I love unwrapping stuff, don't you? And I'm going to save this paper. This paper I can use again. She is awesome. I'm so excited that she has wrapped things so well. Oh, this is from the Long Island Livestock Company. Okay. Let's see what's in there. She has outdone herself with the cute. Look. It's a llama pen. I can't stand it. Look how cute. So it's a little llama and the whole pen is wrapped in fabric of some sort. It looks like a woven fabric and it's got a llama on top. I can't stand it. So this was purchased at Webb's. I told you I thought she went to Webb's. This was purchased at Webb's. I'll link to Webb's in the description. And the manufacturer is the Long Island Livestock Company. Carol, thank you so much for putting so much time and effort into making sure I knew where these things come from so I could share them with my viewers. I cannot stand how cute this thing is. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to stick him. I got a llama. Should he be pointing up or pointing down? I don't know. He's great both ways. So I have a llama in pen, and it's great. So llama pen, rabbit, best. Oh, it's fantastic. This is just making my week. So let's unwrap this squishy one. Oh, I'm squishing it as I go. Okay, let's take a poll. When I squished it inside of squishy, how many of y'all surprised it was yarn? Oh, this is a gorgeous color. Oh, Wonderland yarns. So I'm guessing this is from Webb's also. Wonderland yarns. Fabulous dyer. I'm a huge Alice in Wonderland fan. This is Mad Hatter, which means it's sport weight, 344 yards. That's a good amount of yards. 100% superwash merino. It is very nicely soft. Let's look at, as we do, the ply. So here's what the ply looks like. It looks like boop-a-doop-a-doo. Okay. Looks like we've got. So okay, what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing is I'm actually taking the yarn and twisting it against. So if the yarn was twisted like clockwise, I'm twisting it counter to that direction to make, let's see if I can show you. So what it does is it makes the plies like kind of open up so that I can get an idea. I'm essentially unplying it to get an idea of how many plies we got going on here. We have 4 plies. It's hard to keep it spread out, but you can see it sort of kind of maybe You can see it spread out. There's 4. You're going to have to trust me on this one. So there's 4 plies. It's it's got bounce, but it's not too tight. That would tell me that it's definitely, it's so soft. Let's see what color she picked out for me. It does have a name. If I had a world of my own, everything would be nonsense. Lewis Carroll. I gotta admit. So Alice in Wonderland, and specifically Alice Through the Looking Glass, is arguably my favorite book of all times. And one of my favorite quotes is from, I believe it was Humpty Dumpty. And he said, "If it were so, it would be. And if it was so, it could be. But as it isn't, it ain't. That's logic." Which sounds horribly confusing, but if you really sit down and think about it, he actually is making sense. But I love the wordplay. I love when he makes the comment that when he uses a word and Alice is like, "That word doesn't mean what you think it is." And he's like, "Well, when I make a word do extra work, I pay it extra." It's just everything. It makes me laugh. I really enjoy it. So this is perfect. I adore this color. Lobster Quadrille. There we go. That is the name. That is a perfect name for this. Sport weight. Maybe some fingerless mitts. Sport weight hat. I could get a cowl out of it. What would you all like to see? You want to see a pink hat, a pink cowl, pink fingerless mitts? It's so squishy. I love it. Okay, so we've got my awesome yarn that I'm super excited about from Wonderland Yarns. The best llama pen in the entire world. And the unbelievably cute. These are so great. So, Carol, thank you so much for putting so much time and effort into selecting these products for me. They are fantastic. I adore them. And you can shop for me anytime. For all the rest of y'all, I will put links to Webs, Wonderland Yarns, the Walnut Farm Designs, and Long Island Livestock Company in the in the description below in case you want to check it out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. If you do, give it the thumbs up, click that like button. And if you would like to be notified whenever I upload a new video, please subscribe to my channel and select notifications by clicking the little bell. Thank you so much.